Hey, what's up, guys? So in this video, I will tell you why it's very important to maximize the place where you put your music, put your beats for sale, right? Maximize these places so that you reach more and more people. Now, most people they actually just make a YouTube account, and the only other thing they're gonna make is gonna be a BeatStars account, and that's gonna be it. But they're going to be losing a ton of money because a lot of the people that are using alternative marketplaces, they're not going to find their beats, they're not going to find their music, right? So you have to sort of give them a chance to discover your instrumentals as well. So in this video, I will tell you the 3 best marketplaces that I think you should definitely put your music out there, right? You should definitely upload your music on these marketplaces. Alright, so the first website that I'm going to be telling you about is going to be Airbit. Now, a lot of people know about Airbit, but they don't actually use it because I think a lot of people actually don't think that they can actually sell a lot of beats over here, but I believe they have their own marketplace. They have their own people who are actually listening to their beats, whatever producers have been putting out, and it's just another website that you can sort of go ahead and upload your music and get people to listen to you, right? Well, whoever is sort of listening to their catalog, for example, going to Airbit for example, and coming across your beat, and then just clicking on your Instagram, for example, right? Clicking on your YouTube. So now you gain a new follower, a new fan off of a different marketplace rather than the mainstream marketplace like YouTube, like BeatStars, for example, right? Alternative marketplaces are very sort of different way, but they actually do work, and a lot of the time they're sort of overlooked. So Airbit is going to be a website where you can sell your beats, and they have pricing that is going to be similar to other websites. For example, BeatStars, they have similar pricing such as BeatStars, and it's going to be 19, so almost $20 per month. And if you don't want to pay $20 for every single month, then you can go ahead and go for the basic, which is free, and you can upload up to 10 beats. And once you start making sales in these beats, you can go ahead and purchase the gold or platinum version. The best part about Airbit that I really like is going to be the YouTube Content ID monetization. So when you buy the platinum pack, you're going to get a chance to use Content ID and just protect your beats from being just somebody else sort of using Content ID on your beats, right? Claiming them as theirs. So this is something that comes for free of cost when you buy this package here, right? And when you buy the gold package, they actually also let you use Content ID. And the other thing that I really like about Airbit is going to be the free promo codes that the free promo credit that they actually give to each new seller. And you need to use a referral link, which I'm going to be leaving in the description. You can go ahead and check out, and when you purchase the subscription, you're going to get, based on the subscription you purchase, you're going to get the free promo credit apply to your account, and you can use that credit to market your music, market your beats on their platform. Now the next platform is going to be SoundClick. SoundClick is sort of like a very, very old platform that I think some of the people who have been selling beats for a long time, they probably know what SoundClick is all about. So SoundClick is an instrumental selling platform that does not actually ask any sort of upfront money from you. So you can start on SoundClick without actually having to sort of buy a 1-year plan, right? $19, $20 every single month. You don't have to pay that much to start. So if you don't actually have a credit card, whatever, right? If you don't have a credit card, let's just say you can sort of purchase a 1 year subscription or 1 month subscription. You don't have $20. You can go ahead and sign up for SoundClick, and SoundClick is going to be it's going to take 30% of your revenue, a ton of your instrumentals. Right, so you can go ahead and sell a ton of your instrumentals on this website, and they're gonna ask 30% of fee that they're gonna take from each sale. And if you don't want to pay the fee, you can buy the $15 per month gold package that they have. All right, so the final place where I think you should sell your beats, sell your instrumentals, is going to be TrackTrain. So TrackTrain is a website where most of the underground beats can be found. I think I've heard quite a lot of beats on this platform, and they sound a lot more underground. They sound a lot more sort of like a sound that's not very mainstream. Okay, so TrackTrain seems to be a website where most of these beats are of underground artists, and the producers also seem to be very underground, and for good reason, because a lot of these marketplaces, they're kind of giving me the same kind of vibe, but TrackTrain is something that's sort of different, and I haven't really seen any beat marketplace that is like TrackTrain. TrackTrain is sort of like a different this is sort of like a vibe on its own. Pretty cool. And this website is actually invite only, so you don't have to you're not gonna you can't just sign up and start selling it right away. You have to sort of request an invite to this website to use this website. Alright guys, so if you think these are going to be some of the places where you can sort of put your beats on and start earning more money, then go ahead and comment the places where you sort of sell your beats right now and where you want to sell them after you watch this video. And you make sure to like this video, make sure to comment whatever your thoughts are, and make sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you never miss out on any updates